How to find your flight number on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find your flight number on Rex Airlines. So there are different ways. The first way is to check your confirmation email. Okay, after booking a flight, after you booked a flight, whether maybe you selected flight, you entered in return, entered in your origin, travel date and the likes. After you successfully booked a flight, a confirmation email will be sent to you from Rex Airlines. Check it. Your flight number will be listed in the email along with your e-ticket itinerary, and you'll see it there. Then secondly, to check your flight number as well. After logging in into your Rex Airlines account, just like I've done here, select the Manage Bookings section, and then you'll be taken to the Manage Bookings page. On this page, enter in your booking reference, your first name, your last name, click on Retrieve Booking, and then you'll be taken to the flight. You have to select the flight. If you have booked a number of flights on Rex Airlines, so select the flight, whose flight number you would like to select. So select the flight or the flight page. For this page, you'll see all your flight details, including the flight number. And also, if you have an e-ticket itinerary, your flight number would also be there. So these are the ways whereby you can get or find your flight number on Rex Airlines. Thank you for watching and have a good day.